I am so excited. It's time for the unboxing of the AWE Catback exhaust for the new Supra, guys. This box is 6 foot tall. I mean, I know it weighs over 125 pounds, which seems really heavy, but it's probably a lot less than that. It's probably more like 80 or 90, but wow, this thing is a beast. Almost as long as the Supra. Well, I'm going to position this camera here, and then let's do an unboxing and take a look at this thing. So what we're looking at here is the 2020 Toyota Supra A90 resonated. So it does, these are the resonators. Resonated catback exhaust. Or they call it the street touring resonated exhaust, something like that. But this won't be as loud on the factory downpipe, but I do plan on putting an aftermarket downpipe in eventually. So here's one of the pieces. I like how they got those all wrapped up to keep the really shiny part shiny, but it's underneath the car, so whew. Man, they packed this well. So here's one of the mufflers for the back. That's where it meets in the middle hanger. The other one, and this is going to be right where the downpipe, factory downpipe comes in, goes back, splits off. So what's really nice about this setup and this exhaust from AWE, I really like this. Very non-restrictive, very big, oversized. There's never any pinching where it gets any smaller on any of these couplings. The factory exhaust has a bunch of pinches and crimps in it in certain spots for some reason. So this really should improve the sound an awful lot. And then the last piece is the beautiful pair of 5-inch tips. Oh my God, those are amazing. With AWE kind of stamped into them. That looks incredible. And then, you know, your mounting flanges, all your clamps, and lollipop. So I'll get this all spread out for a nice overshot picture of it front to back here. Move the box out of the way. Let's do a walkthrough of the exhaust here. Here's what I was saying. It's where the factory downpipe will connect into your Y. This is where it runs back. There's your resonated center pieces instead of being straight piped, which will then turn into muffler going each direction. And then what these have is they have a flang here and over there, and they have a special bracket that goes between them. It's how you do all your adjusting and everything to get everything lined up right. And this shows underneath the car. Now, what the AWE exhaust system does not have, which doesn't bother me at all, is it doesn't have a valve, how you can make it quieter, like the factory exhaust is. I didn't actually want that, and what they do is they have this adapter plate, and this actually, the factory valve will still be thinking that it's opening and closing with this little adapter plate, and so it's going to trick it basically, and that way you don't get any check engine lights, you know, that the valve's disconnected. And then all your mounting hardware, very good complete instructions from scanning this. It shows you a video. I suggest you do that. And then here's both tips. I showed you both directions of the polished, chromed, or whatever they are, 5-inch tips there, and that's how they connect to the system. So you definitely need to read the directions first. before you start installing the system, but that'll be in a separate video. This is just an unboxing to show you how it's all packed up. I did leave the wrapper on these two. I am doing the muffler system myself, and I'll probably be jacking up and dropping it on the ground a little bit while I'm doing it. And I want those to stay nice as possible. I'll find a way to unwrap them once they're already underneath the car. I'm sure it's possible. So I am gonna wrap up this video with saying hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Next time, probably the next video, maybe up relatively the same time, me installing it on the Supra. I'll show you a step-by-step install and how it sounds afterwards. So thanks for checking out this video. I hope this helps, and man, I can't wait to get the sucker on. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and the like button. Catch you all later.